Mentagasngi, Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke Sangma. Ulayalam mi kipaj ba pan Pynkhuid ikawa Dienglieng, kabakang nakajat ulum Shillong, batu chadhan kiti malki terter. Conrad ulah Hiar ringkat usensar hakti, ban Pynkhuid yakane kawa. Si benta jung ka jing pelaj yakathong ban Pynkhuid yakanong ba kabaw ai kerteng Shillong my passion.
See the presentation that was given by the municipal board. And I think details of how this program is not just a show today, not just an event, a revolution in one way, a change that is going to move forward, continue beyond this day. And I'm sure that by the participation of each and every one of you, we should be able to achieve what we have all started here today. When we were thinking about
this shows how bad the situation is. I would urge all our people, our citizens, to join this movement of Shillong My Passion. Number one, as I said in my speech, that plastics is one of the biggest problems that we are facing as a country and as a nation and as a world. And therefore, it is very important that the single-use plastic must be banned completely. Number two, we should completely stop the usage of plastic in whatever way possible. Like for example, in my office, if you come, there is no plastic bottles. You will never find plastic bottles there. We avoid plastic files. So therefore, in your day-to-day life, I urge and encourage all citizens of the state to not use plastic in the normal process of their day. Yes, there are certain things which we need plastic in, but wherever it is not required and it can be avoided, I would urge every citizen to avoid the use of plastic. Well, that's the whole objective of this program. You see, at the end of the day, every citizen wants to see the change. And everybody, when they walk through a pile of garbage, they realize that something should be done. But then somehow they're not able to connect to the movement. So this Shillong My Passion program will, number one, allow people who are really concerned and passionate about Shillong to connect to this movement of ensuring that we have a clean Shillong. Number two, apart from the movement that we're going to have, different localities, Rangba Shillongs, institutes, they all will become stakeholders in this. There will be different training programs that will be organized at different levels to allow and let the Rangba Shillongs, localities, institutes know what they can do, how they can be of help, how to segregate the garbage. And this movement will go down all the way to the household level, where segregation of garbage will be taking place at the grassroots level and at the household level. So that is the kind of program that we're having, and it's much more than that, but it will take me a lot of time to